filters. Some of the most powerful anti-fake technology can barely be seen by the human eye. Microscopic text, holographic layers, and hidden refrigerants. These glowing security inks remain invisible under normal light, but under ultraviolet scanners, hidden symbols and security.
Tonight, we explore the history and creation of the Mexican peso, live from the Bank of Mexico headquarters. Estamos a las afueras de la fábrica de moneda del Banco de México, una de las instalaciones más seguras del país. Como pueden ver, la seguridad es estricta. Bienvenidos a la Casa de Moneda. Para ingresar a esta área restringida, los empleados deben pasar por un riguroso proceso de verificación biométrica. We are live at the new Mexican Peso Factory loading zone, where massive shipments of cotton fibers and polymer substrates are arriving.
We examine the raw polymer sheets for consistency before they move to the printing stage. This microscope allows us to detect imperfections at a molecular level.
As the cotton fibers pass through these massive drying rollers, the intense heat and pressure create the substrate's legendary durability. Here we see the powerful water streams cleaning the fibers, a crucial step in creating the durable paper for our currency.
Modern Mexican pesos use advanced transparent security windows designed to stop counterfeiters instantly. Precision laser systems cut micrometers. Inside every authentic Mexican peso, hidden metallic security threads act like a digital fingerprint. These ultra-secure strips. Some of the most powerful anti-fake technology can barely be seen by the human eye. Microscopic text, holographic layers, and hidden refrigerants. These glowing security inks remain invisible under normal light, but under ultraviolet scanners, hidden symbols and security.
Now the printing process officially begins. Massive offset printing machines apply the first layers of color and artwork.
Every color, pattern, and background image must align perfectly. Even the smallest printing error can cause an entire sheet of currency to be rejected instantly. Before the next stage begins, every printed sheet is inspected by advanced AI scanning systems, capable of detecting flaws smaller than a human hair. At full production speed, multiple denominations are printed simultaneously, from 20 peso notes to 1,000 peso bills. This is where Mexican currency gains its most recognizable feature: raised printing. Intaglio pressure indents. With every pass through the press, detailed portraits and intricate artwork appear in stunning precision. These engraved layers are special tactile markings allow visually impaired citizens to identify denominations quickly and safely. Every texture is engineered with remarkable precision. Artificial intelligence now plays a major role in modern currency production. Advanced tracking systems monitor every sheet from printing to final distribution. Every single peso receives a completely unique serial number. No two banknotes are ever identical, allowing authorities to track and authenticate currency instantly. Automation keeps the production line moving at incredible speed. Robotic handling systems reduce human error while protecting the delicate banknotes from damage. By this stage, each banknote already contains multiple layers of anti-counterfeit technology. But before entering circulation, deep within this high-security facility, giant offset cylinders rapidly apply the vibrant colors of the Mexican peso onto advanced polymer. Deep within this high-security facility,
Giant offset cylinders rapidly apply the vibrant colors of the Mexican peso onto advanced polymer.
In this facility, synchronized robotic precision ensures that millions of pesos in denominations up to 1,000 AI monitors every single sheet. These robotic arms adjust the rollers with microscopic precision, ensuring the integrity of the new Mexican peso. The advanced intaglio system applies thick security ink onto the polymer substrate with microscopic precision, creating the raised textures you see here. The advanced intaglio system applies thick security ink onto the polymer substrate with microscopic precision, creating the raised textures you see here.
The heart of current production lies in intaglio printing, where tremendous pressure forces thick into the substrate.
The synchronized precision of these automated systems ensures every newly printed peso is tracked and accounted for.
The alignment on line 3 is drifting slightly.
The AI compensated automatically. Barcode verification is still at 100%.
Synchronized conveyor systems rapidly transport the freshly printed sheets. Advanced digital inspects utilize AI to
Microscopic precision is required as the ultra-sharp steel blades slice through the freshly printed Mexican pesos.